So today I'm going to show you how to, this is actually the Kenwood juicer, and now I'm going to show you first how to disassemble this machine. So you know how to disassemble. First you need to pull this one, yan, pull, and then remove this cap, and then take this out, and then ito ay this one you need to do after you make the juice. And then this is the blade, and then remove this cap. Yan, this is the cap. Yan, you need to remove this. And then this is the basket where all the residue starts inside. And then if so, this is the unit. You need to be careful not to wet this one because this is the machine itself. And then now we are going to assemble the machine. Yeah, first you need to put this one. Yeah, and then this blade, and then this basket put here. Yeah, and then this the cup. Make sure that it's fit, because if it's not fit, it means that you cannot use it later. And then this is that and then this one first. This will serve as the lock. Yeah, be sure that it's clicking here. See? Yeah. And then pull up the plug. So this is the picture, and you need to remove this cover. Yeah. And then put in the picture. And then today we are making green juice. So I have prepared kale, mint, and green apples, cucumber, and lemon. So we need to cut them small pieces so that it won't be hard to grind later. So we need to put some of the hard fruits first. Then if you can alternate, put this in center. If it's too much, you can put half first and then half again. Then this is the pusher. So this is the focus switch. If you want it like slow, you can go left. Just push this one, use the pusher to push that. Push. Then after that, when it's all done, you can put another batch out there. Turn it off first. Turn it off. Put another batches of your fruits. So I think this maybe will fill 1 glass of juice. That before I use the medium power, and then now I want to use the strong power. You only need to turn the button into the right side. You see? Very slow. It's very quick. So now you have 1 glass of green juice. Okay. And then you only need to disassemble this again, this machine. From here, start here, then get this one, this, this one. You see the residue. Alas.